In mean and as we have seen that this order from the court, we hope that the government will do something to give us appointment. Ngi pha ru da ka jing seo khia la da government kam le ai na ka banta jongi hadein balkut kane ka po ka ba ngi ai Artaiew ko manado on riu tarik January arajar ar thaulai ha do khat phra tarik January arajar ar thaulai ngim ban se ngin kolong no da ka jing ki
khynhun juga hinyongut Nonghikai conntract masya weng nakakam bagi trei haus nam arhajar arphong nakadaw ba kimpat Pyndep ya ke Mtet hynrei hadein bakila Pyndep ya kini ka kyrdan pule Mtet ru ka sorkar kampat la satia ban thungkam yaki shuh nakaliang kini Nonghikai kila dab ujor sayeng bishar Meghalaya highcourt badonburom bat nakaliang ka yeng bishar badonburom ru haka arpu pratari urisau arhajar arpu ar kala dab ban rai kini Nonghikai bagi lalong ki babet banyo biang ka kam ka bagi su trei ban nakaliang kini Nonghikai ru abu por kumba Artaiew ya ka sorkar bakan Pynrung Kam biang ki lem kumta kin penlong da ka jingaki
ya government contractual kali ya ki untuk kadon ru ka we ka hau ka por we kendo kadon ka we ka press conference ka bagi release ngadan ha ka bagi thok sai kedar ba itu ki bala Pyndep ya ka Mtet ki lalong eligible balala ban thungkam purai ki namar be ai haya mentahi ban ong kom nong ngin bes na kata ngi wan hang ne ba ngi bes ba kat kum ko order jam ko kot ka ban kom ngi bes ba ngi file le ka petition jam ko kot kala ai ngi ka judgment ba ngi la long qualify to be appointed as a teachers because in the page of first judgment they have also approved that in this one with the coming force of the NCTE norm to 23rd August 2010. Only those teachers who fulfill the set norm, in this case, Meghalaya teachers eligibility test were to be considered eligible for appointment as assistant teachers in the lower primary and upper primary, which the petitioner, apart from the petitioner WPC 400, in mean we have already said like that, and then 403, 409, 414, 83 and 84. These are all the 7 teachers which have been filed the case when we catch the judgment or the court order from the court. These are the name of all the 7 teachers. I have it down. Srimati Fikir Bahakariat, Srimati Arbilang Suciang, Sri Thalamuna Darnay, Srimati Laljoy Darnay, Srimati Merijon Ngamlai, Srimati Lalchan Paritete, Sri Shamiram Rishi. These are all the teachers who have been qualified to be appointed as a teachers because they have been serving so many years. Because of this, we have come to this. Niwan hangne daga jing kiam sim daga jing kebangi pak ke masjid syaga government. Bahkan siapa ban pule no ya ka order jong kot bahkan pak no ya ka appointment jongi. Namar ba ngila dek bu ya ka jing tho nadu chief minister of Meghalaya nadu deputy chief minister of Meghalaya Sri Prasun Tingsom education minister Sri Lakman Rumbui director of schools and then respective SDSO. Nilai ibu ya kini jing tho baro la shi banai ai kamalatam shi banai ai kamot nadu baga ka order jong kot kalami kalalong kamba ar banai chitego menta kasni ni wan hangne ban pha kane ka khubor shaga government ka ba ngim don ngim pha ngim lek bu chu da jing tho shaga government nama nilai da bu nilai da kerpat gin shimbe bagane bangi wan hangne press club banado menta kasni kan riu tarik January aracara paulai kalong ka khubor ka bangin pha no sya ka sorkar bahkan pha no ya ka appointment jongi hapo Artaiew ai lemda ka sorkar kamle ngi ngim ban se ngin sashim ya ka senjam bangin pelong dagi jingi ki wala ngi don tang hniu ngoro namar ngi lalong qualified ngi lalong eligible ngi wan hangne ngi don ngi nong rim baro ki NCTE nom ngi la Pyndep kat kum ka statement ka ba ka highcourt ka lai ngi don ru ka order jong ko pot hangne na dangi pule ha ka page number 4 in pule ka kamba the detail of the qualified teachers is set out in the table below WPC number 400 Laljoy Darning. Qualification SSLC, HSLC, Mtet, DLS. The date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 403 Tlamuna Darning. Qualification SSLC, HSLC, BA, DLS, Mtet. Date of appointment 3rd September 2008. WPC 407 Merijon Ngamlai. Qualification SSLC, HSLC, DLS, Mtet. Date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 409 Lalchan Pari Theite. Qualification SSLC, HSLC, BA, DLS, Mtet. Date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 414 Shamiram Rishi. Qualification SSLC, HSLC, BCom, MCom, Mtet, DLS. Date of joining 10 July 2007. WPC 83 Pikir Bahakarya. Qualification BA, MA, DLS, Mtet, set pass. Date of appointment 27 March 2008.
By the Minister of Education, Sri Pynrung Kam, with the representative of contractual teachers who are on agitation for regular appointment as assistant teacher. During the meeting, the Minister clarified that regular appointment can be made only after following the process as per NCTE regulation adopted by the state, which include passing DLS and Mtet examination. No regular appointment can be given without clearing above examination. The teachers mentioned that most of them are over age and would not be able to take the examination. After hearing the aggrieved teachers, Minister clarified that the state is conscious and emphasize with their sentiment and decision to increase the recruitment age of all contractual teachers will be given to afford them to attempt the Mtet examination. On clearing the examination with DLS diploma, the process of regular appointment would be initiated and taken up by the department. This is the press note from the Education Minister, Pynrung Kam. But still now this process is not working. That's why we come here to send a message through this press, especially to the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, and Education Minister Sri Pynrung Kam. As per the order from the High Court of the 28/10/2022, it is clarified that we the 7 teachers are qualified and deserve to get appointment as assistant teachers.